Good morning, friends. So I thought we will discuss about Nifty on what's happening and what may happen. Okay. So this chart that you're seeing on the screen, right? This is a harmonics chart that I had prepared a few days back. Uh, so this actually gave us a reversal. Okay. So this was plotted before. Okay. So I will show you how it looked uh, before we actually posted this, right? So let me show you. Yeah. So this is how it actually looked. Okay. So this was made before the Nifty came and touched this level. Okay. So it was anticipated, or we made a reversal kind of, what we call as a potential reversal zone, that Nifty may come into this, somewhere into this box and try to reverse. Okay. Now, what has happened is, as you can see, it came into that box, made a low of 25,726.3, and it moved beautifully, and this already has given us a 250 points on a 15 minutes reversal chart. Okay, now having said this, let us first understand this 15 minutes chart in terms of where the support and resistance are. Now here we see that the immediate resistance is somewhere around 25,989 to 26,020 levels, right? And I've very clearly marked above this A point that very bullish on hourly close above 26,058. So what above this we will discuss using maybe a hourly chart. At the same time, when you talk about the support, the first line of support is somewhere around 25,920 to 25,891, as I can see that box. Now, if at all we close 15 minutes candle closes below 25,880, then probably it will signal some intraday weakness, and that means we may go to 25,830 to 25,800 and let's say 6 or 3 levels here, right? Here somewhere around 809, 806, right? So here you can see 801. So that means below 25,880 we can go to 25,830 to 25,800 levels. Let's keep it for as of now, that these are the support levels. Now let us move to the hourly chart. So this is what I have made now. Okay. So we have spoken about on the 15 minutes chart that 56,058 becomes a very important level, and above it we become super bullish, right? Or let's say very bullish. That's because for this pattern that I have drawn, right, for it, Nifty needs to give a hourly close about this B point. Now this B point is 26,058. Now this B point was the A point on the previous chart. So let me go back and show you that once. So you can see that that is the A point, right? This 26,058 on the 15 minutes chart. So on the hourly chart, that A point is now becoming the B point here. So once we close above B point, these patterns will get triggered. So if we give a hourly close above 26,058, Nifty will become buy on dips. Okay. So here will become buy on dips. Okay. So once we close above 26,758, then this 0.886 pattern, which is at 26,254 to 26,262.5, becomes a very important level that we should watch for, with the hourly closing basis stop loss of 26,325.8. So this is the area, right? We made a new all-time high by hitting this number 26,325.8. So our previous all-time high was 26,277, right? We just managed to go above the all-time high, but we could not manage to close above it, and we fell like hell, right? From 25,277, sorry, 26,325, we fell to this A point here, which is at 25,693, and this 693 was my stop loss for the previous 15 minutes chart, right, where we reversed, right? So this area now, this 26,254 to 26,262 becomes a very important uh, level. We have to watch for this 0.86 pattern. So if at all we go here and if we don't close above this 26,325.8 hourly closing basis, then the chances are that we will fall back again to probably retest this 26,058 levels. Okay. Now, if at all we manage to close above this previous all-time high that we made recently, which is 26,325.8, then this bigger reversal level, which is 1.272 pattern, is something that we will watch for at 26,483 to 26,532 with a hourly closing basis, or let's say a daily closing basis of 26,645. So we'll discuss about this maybe later. We'll think about it later, because for now this is an extremely important level that we are talking about, 26,254 to 26,262.5. I hope it is very clear, and I hope this is helpful. I wish you all a very good weekend and all the best. I'm giving my Telegram link in my in the description, so you can go and check and probably join my Telegram channel if you like the analysis. Thank you very much and have a very wonderful day.